Hello, Growth Mindset Trailblazers. Welcome back to the Growth Mindset Company channel. If you're joining us for the first time, we're the nexus of profound insights and transformative knowledge. Today, we're navigating the intricate labyrinths of the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999. But before we embark, I urge you to explore the vast expanse of wisdom at www.wisdomwabashub.com, where every piece of content is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Today's voyage centers on Clause 4.9 Quality Assurance, a clause that's more than just words, it's the DNA of world-class construction projects. Delving into the heart of Clause 4.9, we encounter the quality management (QM) system. This isn't merely a protocol, it's an ecosystem that thrives on precision, consistency, and global benchmarks. It's harmonized with international titans like ISO 9001, 9002, and 9003. These aren't just numbers, they're global standards, ensuring that a project's quality management isn't just efficient, but transcends boundaries. Then, we have the compliance verification system. Beyond its official title, it's the sentinel of quality. It's not about routine checks, it's a rigorous, dynamic process, ensuring that every deliverable, every component, resonates with the highest echelons of quality. It's the unsung hero, ensuring that the tales of quality are not just narrated but exemplified. Clause 4.9 isn't an island, it's a hub that orchestrates a harmonious ballet with other clauses, ensuring a symphony where every note, every beat, every rhythm is in perfect sync. It's this interconnectedness, this holistic approach that ensures the seamless orchestration of projects that are not just massive but monumental. Shifting gears to the 2017 FIDIC Contracts, we witness an evolution. While it reverberates with the foundational ethos of the 1999 version, it introduces layers, subtleties, and complexities. It's not just an update, it's a metamorphosis, reflecting the dynamic tapestry of modern construction standards and avant-garde practices. Let's pause and reflect. The depth we've plunged into today, the nuances we've unraveled, are monumental. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. At www.wisdomwabashub.com, we've dissected, analyzed, and presented such insights with unparalleled depth. To encapsulate, Clause 4.9 Quality Assurance is the magnum opus of construction quality. It's the alchemy behind architectural marvels, the doctrine behind engineering wonders, and the ethos behind global benchmarks. Thank you for journeying with us through this enlightening odyssey. If you've been enlightened, enriched, and empowered, show some love with a like, share, and subscribe for more such profound voyages. Until next time, keep that growth mindset ignited and continue to push boundaries.